Hello everyone and welcome to Heidi's home. My company has left, but I did film this footage of me cooking things and prepping for company, and I am known for my for my meatballs, and it's like a regular thing that when my parents come to town I always make meatballs, and you all have seen me make these meatballs a million times. I love it when I do it this way because honestly, when I don't have company, I can make a whole bunch of meatballs and freeze half of it and have it on hand for a night that I really don't want to spend a long time, making supper. So I am just making up my meatballs, and if you're wondering what's in it, I think it's about 3 pounds of ground chuck, 2 pounds of hot Italian sausage, some garlic, some Italian seasoning, obviously salt and pepper, and a half a can of Italian breadcrumbs, and a couple of eggs. And then I make them up into meatballs, and I put them in a 350-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until I know that they are done all the way through. Now, I will tell you, you do not want to put them on a flat surface. You do want to put your meatballs on something that has a lip, because the grease or the oil from your meat is going to run off. So always kind of put them in a deep kind of a pan to bake them this way, so that you don't get grease splatter in abundance in your clean oven. Now that my meatballs are done, I am going to go ahead and make my layer salad. It is super easy. It is lettuce, it is celery. I'm trying to think all the things. Green pepper. I usually put onion, but I didn't this time. I added broccoli because my husband prefers the broccoli. And then the dressing on top is a cup of mayo with a tablespoon of sugar. Now, I did not use regular sugar. I used Splenda because my husband and I are trying to do better. So I used the Splenda. It came out just the same. I couldn't notice any difference. Then I topped the salad with a bag of frozen peas, some chopped up bacon, and some cheddar cheese. And then I cover it with foil, slip it into the refrigerator, and it just kind of does its own thing. Everything kind of marries each other. This is a quick, simple salad to put together in advance for company. I've not met anyone that does not love this salad. It is absolutely one of my favorites. I am whipping up some cherry squares. Now, I have shot the video footage for these, and I did not use cherries before. I used blueberries, and I will link that video down below so that you can see all the measurements and everything if you're interested in how to make this. I love this because you can make a large quantity easily, and it is delicious, and they look like you spent a long time making these, and they come out perfect every time. Even if you don't cut them perfectly, you can take the time to really precisely put in your cherry filling and just make sure that every square is just absolutely perfectly same size. I don't do that. I just keep it simple. You'll see here. And then once they cool, you top them with a little powdered sugar, and they are delicious. Now, my family are the type of people that kind of like something sweet with their coffee in the morning. I know my dad anyways. And so I've decided to make some pumpkin bread, and my recipe makes 2 loaves, and I will also link my recipe video down below if you want to check it out. It uses pumpkin puree, and I love these because you can give them away as gifts. You can pre-make these and put them in the freezer. Thaw them when you know that somebody's coming over. They are good with cream cheese on them, you know, instead of butter. They are just really, really good. And you'll also see you can top these with nuts. You can put slivered almonds on the top to make it really pretty. I just made them kind of plain Jane, but they were really, really scrumptious. So in the oven they went, and this is what they look like. And then you're going to see where I cut up my cherry squares as well as my pumpkin bread, and I had it on the table waiting for them. I'm also going to show you clips here of the meals that I served. There's my spaghetti and my salad. We also had hot dogs one day, and we also had ribs. We had a fantastic time. I hope you all enjoyed seeing this video. Thanks so much for watching, and if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and have a great day.